Assalamu alaikum. In continuation of Al Khidmat Foundation efforts and supporting, we create a new school. Thank you Al Khidmat Foundation Pakistan and all donors of Al Khidmat Foundation Pakistan for their efforts and support. Thank you very much.
Thank you.